Nema.
Tugicoka na Aria thutha. You see, he kindu gietagwo riri. No, there are different levels of administration. Yes. Ni kuri administration ya thirikari. Yes. And of course there was the historical provision administration that was very powerful.
Neri okuo ginya umuthi.
But then it was very powerful back then.
Rikuo nayo naguo wathani uria wakiri kuo hindi iyo.
Yes.
Wendaga guikare oguo.
He andu anana acio riu ndio Siguro le wale watongoragia hindi iyo ri arahuka wira wake wa mbere wari kuurira acia
acia nana
he sees
aheo uria gutarie matura
boy yes riu ekere ya thirikari yoke administration ya institution private companies na nigokire riu administration ya etagwo riri formal basic administration muno ya thukuru na twakimihuthagira na ithio tugithoma is still there na muno yagitagwo the prefect body. Yes, the prefect body was also very powerful tugithoma
iyo riu ni yari ta provincial administration ya shukuru
iyo niyo yari riu headmaster tondu ndio metawo headmaster ri icio nicio ciari riu jaguti ciake cia ground Neo man driver agenda and sometimes
implement policies
and sometimes they would be given powers to enforce. No way to get to legislate. Yes. As your man powers ya ku enforce. Yes.
The prefects.
The prefects. Prefects now but ya thurago every Tom, Dick and Harry. Yes.
Gwakiria guthurwo kura na ti koige.
Yeah, ti koige democracy ori. Erogo muno diari kwa.
Aige mare akuorotwo.
Are hand picked
by the administration.
Na nikyo wakoraga especially riu ciana cia rimuri citiaganagwo muno na tuturu Otige tueka thoguo he mwarimu kou na we iturwo iragayanwo
mwage gwitemera kindu.
Yes, robo kamo get made a key department ndio wa kindu gitagwo the ego boost
indo itingigaya no mwiroreire
bana
na wina handu you have a hand
you can hoodwink here and there ajo makiria kuorotwo kwari elect na cio ciake na their fair share of corruption. Yes. Tona remo nio ngiahirwo kura uige igotire ikarure leikara rio ne andu marakoludire gwikira mukora gituro ine influence
kabal sike nyitana
no kabal ne cia nyitana gacikagwa no mwaka twikire umwe witu ha
ene to kuringana na institution na your level of discipline.
Yes.
Na exposure.
Yes.
Kabal ne cia nyitana gaigatomera ginya beca
bari they would solicit for funds
kugura influence na kura
maige umwe wao mukora haria nigetha mirango yao yokora ndigaki atia
ndikahingo
administration ni araga oguo uhoro ucio gatwaro kuria Supreme Court waikarirwo thi ukaovaruruo na ginya what do you call this chapter that talks about how corrupt you are?
The integrity chapter.
Chapter 6. Ugatwika na threshold yo ndokinyeire you will not run again.
Dokinya neirie kero cia chapter 6.
Yes.
You are disqualified.
Ugekirirwo migiko. Tore riu so nkumeheririo mena waitu. I'm not saying they were cabals, but you see, when your integrity is in question, you can never run again.
Where we muchuhore.
Where you know about where you
list they are eligible.
Yes. Nuwaki ya dodura kunesia madura. No, the system cannot fathom. Yes.
We popular ground.
Yes.
No system.
Nigwa keri wage na ometa goriri the shadows. Yes. Do na taru hede ya siasa ri no igwa kindu gitawo shadow cabinet. Teria baba chuma wood ya lego ata gathie na kiuga Aria Sanjo CS Ministry of Lands. Udavadia kĩo gĩturwo kũu akiona county promising.
Gutihana kuonia.
Ai roke gĩturwo in absentia. Yes.
Na yakiroga.
Joa. Mimi mwaka ujao nakuwa na masuti tu. Kivaa masuti mimi waziri wa mashamba. Ni waje meta kwa shadow. Shadow rim. Ukiatokia ni kwa, you know there were no power vacuums. Ukiatokia hihi ni kwa some issue with either the captain or the school the class prefect. Ni kwa rotagwo mundu in acting capacity. Prefect AG. Acio nao nio mari yoru. Gukira aria mekiritwo ni thuraku utongoria-ini.
Acio mari yoru. Tondu matiaktaga ihinda inene ri.
Yes.
Haha hanini onera mweke.
They would turn everything upside down to prove a point. Ndirakwira ni agia record ya noise maker. Nuru mahana Aria. Eta ate moja cio wanairwo Nairobi.
NMS.
Badi. Yes. Chumia icho igiri.
Nikuhinyia wega.
And he would create, or she would create permanent enemies.
You see, it is the voodoo that ruthless.
Yes.
You have to create enemies.
A heavy enemy. There's no rule of law. That is why it is enforced. Yes.
The outlaws will not love you.
Our prefects are not be available.
He has gone home.
He has gone home due to school fees. Might be away for a while. Administration near Higari though. Aria cia andu aria main authority.
Especially captains.
Yes. Aro hondo captain ya viaga. Ukaru administration ni ona riu uyu ri. He's abusing power. No cio ndakianagirirwo king'ang'a-ini. Etagwo wabici. Kiro now go home. Wambie msasi akuja tuongee. We know you're a very bright student and your leadership qualities are very up to date.
You are very instrumental around here.
We appreciate the effort that you make to put this school in the calendar and in the limelight of the zone. But again, you see the institution has to run. Sometimes when we have no money, we are even unable to feed you.
Unasikia wanafunzi wanateta juu ya chakula.
And I also understand intelligence reports, and you are also aware the students are also marveling Captain Havukusagu. So to take care of this marveling here, you can go maybe talk to your father. Tell them we can have they come and have a working plan.
Asa monetwo kule wabici nene.
Yes. Ayo ni mwaigua atiriri parade. We want to announce that our captain Joyfully Kadogo shall be away for a while. But because everything has to go on, the one who shall be in acting capacity shall be Wilson Masaria. Rohero no tuweka maidhori very fast.
The AG captain.
Yes.
Akamanya rohero ni mwaba mwamuneana.
Yes.
Leo ni muonia system, he is your person.
Akabage to how better. Maybe Wilson, you can come and say something. Okay. Good morning, school. As you have heard, I am Wilson Masadia, and my policy has always been rule of order. I am expecting maximum cooperation from each and every one of you. I do not tolerate nonsense.
Wait till the man.
He's already talking tough. Within the first 3 days, this school shall be as clean as a miller. Shut up. Proceed, Wilson. I am saying clearly here, And I am actually putting on notice the red comers. He's already talking. He thinks he owns the army.
Yeah, massa, baby.
Those who knows me know that I go by the rule of law. And I am from the line of people who have administration experience. So what I'm saying, even if you marble and rough, I shall deal with you and I shall fill the shoes of the captain accordingly. Thanks you. The goon becomes a slave driver, an autocratic leader, a Marxist, a dictator. Koigi uterwo. Na administration ni yake na muno mundu ahane theu.
Riamenyaga mukuigwo raini.
Yes. Etagio list. Yano is makers hede ukete ageni. Akaheana food scap winya.
Intelligence report ciake ri.
Yes.
Dal tagona dot.
Andu nginya magi over home principal ko mahura. Ni uria maingihire.
Niagetio mundu incorruptible.
Incorruptible. No, probably in form 3. Na ni ara aigaturwa kau. Incumbent. Yes. So he would be very thorough. Na ni creator enemies.
Muno.
Actually, captain ya Shokari. Ashokia matamu after the act has been invoked. Ni ara
unadhania utaishi hapo milele.
Captain.
Unene.
Kama you sat up, I can still tell the principal.
Dio mwele kwaja turaria mathata.
Dio mwele turaria gikuyu. Na turekira nginya thimo. Na ndai ndathiu. And the goons sometimes would face violence shukuru weke higo. Atole maki paka those grudges. Emwe wakoraga shukuru uri eka gambo. Yes. Makiwa heka ndai hoi. Nione ka ithomo isawa. Metuko ti muno. But let us see cannot move buy in. You know, sometimes in politics you buy radicals. You buy radicals, and some radicals are better on your side. Yes. Where you are the one who shall be sitting in for the captain, none other than Japhet Dorogo. Dorogo, I can live up to the expectations of the administration. He goes to bed with the cabal. Akaheana leeway ya acrimony. Lawlessness, ruffianism, truancy.
Ucio nake acihorago unceremoniously.
Arikorago parade ire ariri. Ya thaa 10 ndio yo ndia kona announcements inene. We are saying due to unavoidable circumstances, Dorogo shall not be able to continue as the sitting in captain. We are going to give this role to Anilois Macharia. Shut up!
Ori turakoretwo twetia murigo kuma nja.
Wewe ya tuigirie kinya migate guku na maembe. Uri ndo gutunea guku uguo ndigiteta.
Ucio akauga kinya haria tuingagiriria migate.
Aria kinya mwana wa mau ndakare kwa hihi.
Ni thaa 8 na 6.